Welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Denard, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a very easy strategy to trade NFP. This is literally the easiest strategy you will ever see on YouTube for trading NFP. It simply involves analyzing just one candle in the market. It's not complicated. It doesn't involve a lot of analysis. We look at just one candle on the chart and we know the direction of NFP. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. It's about 4 minutes to the news event. NFP is coming out in like 4 minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. So I want us to look at this chart and pay attention to the last candle before the candle for NFP, basically the last candle. So on my chart right here, we're looking at the 1 hour time frame. So the last candle before NFP is this one, because in my time zone NFP comes out at around 3:30 in the afternoon. So the previous candle before 3:30 is the 14-hour candle. So let's mark that candle. Let's pay attention to that candle. Basically this candle where I've drawn the line, that's the only candle that gives you the direction for NFP. Usually what happens is that when this candle is bullish, NFP will be bearish. That's simple. You can backtest this. When this candle is bearish, NFP will be bullish. Now we can already see that it was a bullish candle. This is on gold. The instrument is gold, XAU USD. So we know already, we have the idea that okay, gold is going to sell. Okay, now the other thing that we want to watch out for is this 15-minute candle before NFP, the last candle basically on the 15 minutes. Now we've zoomed into the 15 minutes. This candle usually, if it's a bearish candle, this candle usually gives us a scenario, or it gives us a picture whether we're going to experience a whipsaw or we're going to have a clean NFP. So in this case, I see a whipsaw coming. So we're going to use limits. We're going to use sell limits. So I'll go ahead and place a sell limit because I know it's going to sell. However, it might first spike up and then sell. So I'll place a sell limit around here. So I'll place a sell limit about 40 pips from the current price. I think we are looking at 2 minutes to the event. So we should be starting to get our positions ready. I've placed a sell limit already. Then I also go ahead and execute a sell market order. However, since it's likely to spike, it's likely to whipsaw, sorry. I won't leverage too much. This time around I'm using another broker. Last time you see what happened on FOMC. The broker literally took me out using the spread. But yeah, this time around I'm using IC markets. So let's see what happens. We literally have about 15 seconds to the event. 10 seconds. All right, I'll go ahead and place that sell. So let's see what happens. And just like that, you've seen it's selling. It didn't actually trigger the limit. It's selling already. You can see we're already in profit. Guys, that's how you trade NFP. We're already in profit. we are already in profit. So yeah, very easy strategy. So please go ahead and like this video. This is a new channel, so I'd like you guys to subscribe, and if you want me to post more of this content, subscribe. Let's reach at least 100 subscribers. Like this video, you share, and let me know which other news event in the comment section you want me to cover, and we'll go ahead and do that. Wow, so let's go ahead and book our profit. This is some good profit, almost doubling the account, guys, and I used only 0.5 lot size. Imagine if I had used a full lot. You can see it's still selling. It's still selling. So I'll go ahead and book our profit. So yeah, you can see that we made about $841.50. So yeah, I'll go ahead and close this limit. So I'd place this limit order in case it did a whipsaw, because usually that happens and traders miss out on opportunities because of the whipsaw. But here we catch everything, whether it's going to whipsaw, whether it's going to be a clean move. We make sure that we strategize for everything. All right, so I'll close this limit because we don't need it anymore. You can see we started with $1,000. It's now 1,800 in just a couple of, in under a minute, seconds literally. All right, so to recap for you the strategy, you check or pay attention to the candle before NFP on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, NFP goes against that candle. It's that simple, guys. You can backtest this. You can backtest this on several other events, NFP events, of course. You'll see that it's the same thing happening again and again and again. Okay, see you in another video. My name is Denard, and peace.